Our book is called ANZAC Biscuits. Who's had ANZAC Biscuits before?
Me. Not me.
All right. Who can see the cat in the window?
Me. I'll pardon my hand.
The farm was quiet. Rachel and her mother were in the kitchen. The fire cracked and Rachel was warm. "Let's make some biscuits for Dad," her mum said. "Yes, let's," Rachel cried. Can you see the olden day oven?
Yeah.
Can you see? The soldiers looked across the fields as the night wind howled. There was a blinding flash and a deafening boom, and the young soldier quaked. Rachel's mother put on her apron. It was her favourite, white and patterned with wild flowers. Rachel opened the cupboard. Bowls, pots and pans tumbled to the floor. Bang, crash, bang. Shots rang out. Bang, bang, bang. The soldiers lay low. The flowers on the field brushed his grimy cheek. "How much flour?" asked Rachel. "This much," laughed her mother, as she covered the table white like a field of snow. "We need oats," her mother added. Rachel scooped them up and dropped them like snowflakes. Snow was falling. The soldiers turned his back to the bitter cold. He lifted his collar and lowered his unshaven face to feel the warmth of his own breath. Can you feel your warm breath?
Yeah.
Rachel licked the spoon. Treacle stuck to her fingers. Has anyone had honey on their fingers before?
No.
It's sticky. The soldiers trudged along the trench. Thick mud stuck to his boots. Rachel stoked the fire and smoke drifted around. She loved the smell of burning red gum. Does anyone put firewood in their oven anymore?
I don't have an oven like that.
No, that was the olden day type of oven. They used to put fire on the inside.
Then I would have smoke food.
It was a bit smoky. The soldiers bravely lifted his head to peer across the field. The smoke of angry guns drifted like an ocean mist. It was a choking smell he would never forget. Rachel rolled and patted the biscuits. They lay on the tray, ready to slide into the oven. Rachel and her mother twirled and sang, Waltzing Matilda. The soldier lay still in his cold bed, and he saw stars and heard singing. You think he was dreaming? Maybe. The biscuits were cooling, but Rachel took one and nibbled it. "These are the best biscuits ever," she said. "Yes, I think they are," said her mother. "Daddy will love them, won't he?" said Rachel. "I think he will," said her mum. And he did. Who's eating the biscuits? The soldier. The soldier's her dad. How yummy. Thank you.